A few moments later.
It's a quick update. So, it's not having school today. So, we're done the after school children. So, yeah, that's it for today. Hi!
Hi, ka-WTT. Ngayon ay first day back to school after ng 1 week na spring break. Ayun, we need to prepare everything again. And it's just like first day of school. Kasi, you need to refresh everything, rules, expectations, lahat ay i-remind na naman sa mga bata. And one thing more, we are readying our students for their math test. So, panay review, test, practice, yun yung mga gagawin namin for these 2 weeks before we have our math test on April 16. At yun, 8 weeks na lang. Kaya natin to. Yeah!
Hello mga ka-WTT! Welcome to my classroom. So this is my classroom. So right now I am preparing my materials kasi mag-start na ulit ang aming school year. This is our first day again after the spring break. So lahat ng video na ipapakita namin sa inyo is yung daily routine na ginagawa namin as a J1 teacher here in US. So as you can see on my board, nandiyan yung aming do now, Missouri learning targets, the learning targets itself, and we should have the exit ticket. So later on, ipapakita namin sa inyo yung mga iba't ibang ginagawa pa namin dito aside from teaching. So kaya lang hindi namin pwedeng ipakita yung mga bata kasi it's against the law. So without the permission of the parents, hindi namin sila pwedeng i-video or ilagay dito sa clip. So yeah, so I just want to have a quick update on you guys. Bye!
Hi guys, quick update lang. So kanina hindi ko na napakita, nakipag-lunch na ako. So ngayon naman, it's 11:15 here. So in a few minutes students. So, I'm gonna pick up my students sa cafeteria. Ganun yung routine namin dito. Kailangan namin silang kunin. And then, magsisimula ng third period nila. So, yeah. See you later, guys. And a quick update later. Bye!
It's a quick update. So, tapos na ang aming school today. So, we're done the after-school tutoring. So, yeah. That's it for today. Hi, Kamisha!
Hi mga ka-WTT! It's me, Dayan. Hello nga pala, sorry guys, hindi ako masyadong nakakapag-update lately. And since kababalik lang namin from spring break, syempre, trabaho tayo. Let's focus. And yun na nga, this is the nakakuha ko ng time para makapag-update sa inyo. At yun na nga, Thursday, this is our 4th day simula nung bumalik kami from spring break. And wala akong bata ngayon kasi nasa anchor nila. So, this is my planning time. So, here in America, we have our planning time every time na nasa anchor yung mga bata. Tapos, meron pa rin kaming lunch time. So, we have a lot of time to prepare for our students. So, pagkabalik ko, after ng 10, like 10:45 or 10:50, kukunin ko na ulit yung mga bata ko sa gym. So, ganyan yung our daily routine namin. So, after our first lesson, which is ELA, punta na sila sa anchor nila, sa mga specials nila. Then, 10:50, kukunin ko na ulit sila. Then, start na ulit, turo na ulit hanggang hapon. So, that's our daily routine. That's my daily routine pagtuturo dito sa America. So, syempre, di ko naman pwede ipakita sa inyo yung mga bata. But, I have 24 students dito. And I'm teaching 4th grade. 4th grader. So, they are like, malalaki na sila. Minsan, okay naman yung mga behavior ng bata ko. Pero minsan, hindi naman tayo araw-araw ay calm. Minsan may mga mga bad days. Pero, okay naman. Nakalalampasan naman ng mga araw-araw. Pero, this is my better class, section or better class since last year. Na, dito ako. Yung last year talaga, grabe. Pero ngayon, hindi na gaanong grabe. Mild na lang. Super mild. Yun. Papakita ko muna sa inyo ang aking classroom na aking napakagandang classroom. Siyempre magulo, excuse me. Siyempre magulo pa kasi nandiyan yung mga gamit ng bata. Pero mamaya, papakita ko sa inyo pag wala ng mga bata kung ano yung So class, this is my classroom. Siyempre walang bata at sila ay nasa kanilang special. So, basically, dito ako nagtuturo. So, gamit ko yung smart board, which is very helpful. And this is my classroom. I have a anchor chart para sa mga bata na nakaka-help din sa kanila para minsan may mga activities kaming ginagawa. Yan. Yung mga anchor chart na nag-help din sa kanila. That's yan. Yan yung mga anchor chart ko pa, mga classroom rules and everything. Yeah, this is my home. Since August. Yan. Yung aking setup na I see to it na lahat ng bata nakaharap sa akin. Yan lang guys. This is my para sa akin is my very beautiful classroom. Hindi ko masyadong malamig lahat. Yan lang guys. Thank you.
Good morning everybody. Kumusta kayo?
Guys, isa pang ka-WTT. So, it's Friday. So, it's time to release our stress. So, nandito ulit tayo sa Delwood to play pickle with our fellow colleague in Normandy Middle School. So, see ya later.